Hi guys, today I'll be doing some brown stew pork. So here I am cutting the pork in bite sizes since I had already bought it cut. So now I'm just cutting them up and cleaning it up, and then I'll be washing this with some vinegar. So I'm just cutting them in bite sizes. So here is my pork, it is all cut up. So now I'm going to wash with some vinegar. Alright guys, so I've washed the pork with vinegar, but you can use lime or vinegar, you can use both. Didn't have any lime today, so I used vinegar alone. Now I'm going to be seasoning my pork, and what I did was I bought the lean part of the pork, which is more easier to cook. So it's less bony and it's just easier for me to cook. So now I'm going to be seasoning the pork with some pork seasoning, and so I'm going to be seasoning my pork with some pork seasoning, some meat seasoning, some black pepper, grounded pimento, garlic, onion, and some scotch bonnet pepper. Garlic. I'm going to add about 4 pigs of garlic because I like to use 4 or 5 pigs, like a lot of garlic. I'm just mixing my seasoning together, and then after which I'll let my pork marinate for 15 minutes. I'm going to add a little olive oil to it to let it marinate fast. Alright guys, so I've added some oil to my pot, so now I'm going to let the oil heat, and then I'll be adding my pork and let the pork brown before, because I don't really like to just cook my pork like that. I like when my pork is brown first. Now guys, I'll be adding my pork and it's brown. I'm taking out the seasoning. And leaving those for last, I will add them. also decided to add a few Irish to my pork because I found them in the kitchen. So I'm just going to be adding a few Irish. That's my style of cooking my pork. And I'm going to also add a carrot. You can add whatever you want to yours, but I'm adding a few Irish to my dish. My carrot is already washed, so
a few moments later.
So guys, this is how my pork is looking now. It's getting brown, and I'm adding some warm water to it so that it can cook quicker, because the warm water now keeps it going. If I add the cold water, it will just stop it from cooking, and then it takes a longer time to cook. So just giving you an update of how the pork is looking now. Guys, here's my pork. It's all brown and it's tender. So now I'm going to be adding my Irish and carrot, and I'm going to cook for another 2 minutes or until the Irish and carrot are tender. I'm going to add a little more warm water. I'm going to add a little ketchup just for the gravy, and a little fish and meat sauce also. I'm going to let this simmer until the Irish and carrot is tender, or for 2 minutes. Guys, this is the finished product. It's all ready. Everything is cooked, and I'm going to be dishing this up with some dumpling and yam with some ripe cooked plantain. Thanks for watching.